So now we're on 3.3, it's slopes of lines, and the slope m of a line contains 2 points. It's the x1, y1, and the x2, y2. And we can figure out the slope m using the formula here, which is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so this should be a refresh of what we learned in algebra. And so we're trying to find the slope of each line. For line P, this one here, substitute 1, 2, so that's our x1, y1 is this point 1, 2, and negative 2 for x2, y2. That's our second point on line P, and we're going to find the slope. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say m slope is equal to its y2 is negative 2. Minus y1, which is 2, over x2, which is negative 2, minus 1. So then we'll simplify that, and it'll be negative 4 over negative 3. And a negative divided by a negative is positive, so it's going to be, the slope's going to be 4 over 3. And then we're moving on to number 2, and so we have our first point is 2, 0, which is here. And then we have negative 3, 2, which is here, right? 2 points on line Q, and we want to find the slope of line Q. Oh, and I'm sorry. Now that we found the slope of line P to be 4 over 3, we could check it, because we can come here to the first point, and we can climb up. So it's rise over run. So we're going to rise 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to run 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and those are 2 points on line P. Right? So we know the slope is good. So let's do it again for this one. So we'll say slope m is equal to y2, which is 2, minus y1, which is 0, over x2 minus x1. Like that. So we get 2 over negative 5 is going to be our slope. We cannot reduce it, so we box that as our answer. And so now we're going to be asked to perform some exercises and find the slopes of these lines, right? But I'll go ahead and show the answers for these exercises at the beginning of the next video.